So find the probability that a randomly selected box contains at least 2 prizes. Oof. Now this is straight up basic. So it's just pretty much probability x is greater or equal than 2 because there's at least 2 prizes or more. So thanks to the table method, we can just do 1 minus, if it's 2 or more, it'll be 1 or less. So 1 minus 1 or less, x is less 1 or less. Now from the tables, well, I've already evaluated, but just to show you guys, we're using a binomial 6, a probability 0.25. Use the table, so it must always be less than or equal. You find this on page 18. So when n is 6 and the probability is 25, we go straight down and look for when we get exactly 1 prize, 1 or less. So it would be 0.539, 5339. Yeah, and that's it. And you just put that there, so 1 minus that value will give us 0.4661. And that's it. So that's the probability that a random selected box contains at least 2 prizes. Now pay attention for the next D, because this is actually required for the next bit, because you can see that they skim this keyword here, contains at least 2 prizes in the following question. So this will become a probability.